What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Robin's Nest, the channel where we discuss everything crypto. In today's video, it's going to be fairly short. We're going to cover how to move your crypto off of an exchange and to an either software or hardware wallet that you're looking to use, again, off the exchange. So this is going to be, I feel like, super useful to a lot of people. There's some steps in here that maybe you didn't consider, so definitely stick around, watch the video. Before we get into it, guys, I just want to say, if you're breaking into the crypto space and you're wanting to learn more about crypto, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you stay updated as I upload videos. So without further ado, let's hop into the subject. So for those of you who are, looking to get into the NFT space or whatever it is, a lot of stuff you're going to be doing is going to be off the exchange, and so you'll have to have an external wallet. For those of you who don't know or understand what the difference is between certain wallets, you should check out my video where I discuss the different types of wallets and the differences between them and the pros and cons and those sorts of things. I have, like I said, that video I'll tag up above here. Now, for those of you who already have a wallet and maybe you haven't even set it up yet, I have another video explaining how to set up your hardware wallet. So definitely check that out if you're going to be using a hardware wallet. But the rest of you who are already set up, you have your wallet ready to go, you're wanting to use your crypto and you need to get it off of an exchange, I'm going to be diving into how to do that. So I'm going to turn it over to my computer here just so I can show you guys that process. Alright guys, so the first step is going to be to sign into your crypto account. So once you're in your account, you'll be able to purchase the crypto that you're wanting to send. That's obviously step number one. So in this case, we're going to be using Ethereum as the example. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is buy Ethereum. Before you buy, you need to make sure that you're on an exchange that allows you to self-custody your tokens. So if you're on Robinhood, Robinhood does not allow you to do that. So what that means is you won't be able to send your crypto off of Robinhood. They basically hold the crypto for you, and they don't give you access to the private keys. And because they don't do that, they don't let you send the crypto off the exchange. It's basically stuck on the exchange. And so that's kind of my gripe with Robinhood, because it's not really a solid crypto exchange. It's more there for like traders and introductory kind of stuff, but it's not great in that sense. So if you're on Robinhood, I would recommend setting up a Coinbase account just so you can self-custody your tokens. But assuming you're on Coinbase or Binance or any other exchange that allows you to self-custody, the process is going to be very similar. So anyway, you'll need to buy the crypto that you're wanting to send. Now, something else to note is that when you purchase the crypto, a lot of times there's a holding period on the crypto, because what they're waiting for is the transaction to hit your bank account, for the crypto to be validated, and then they allow you to send it off the exchange. So if this is crypto you just bought like a day ago or today, and you used like an ACH transaction, a lot of times you won't be able to send it right away. Now, there are options if you do need to send your crypto off the exchange immediately. Like say you need gas in your wallet, you can purchase crypto via a card or an instant purchase, and it'll allow you to send it off the exchange right away. Now, with that being said, the fees are higher, so I don't recommend doing big purchases that way. So anyways, once your crypto is ready to send off, once you've got all that squared away, you're just going to go up to this Send Receive tab. You'll click that button. It'll give you two options here. This will be if you were sending to the exchange. We're sending off the exchange, so you want to make sure you click the Send button there. Next, you'll want to make sure you've got the crypto you're sending correct in this Pay With box. So we're going to go to Ethereum, clicking that, and here we are. So it'll give you two options. You can either pick the dollar amount you want to send out, or you can convert it and pick the ETH amount you want to send out. So whatever you prefer here, and then you'll just enter the amount you're sending. And then next we need to make sure we fill in this to box. This is the address we're sending to. So in this case, I'm going to be sending it to my MetaMask. Now, when you're choosing a wallet to send to, before you ever send a transaction through, you need to make sure that the wallet you're sending to accepts the crypto you're sending. So I am sending ETH off the exchange to an ETH wallet. Now, if I were trying to send Bitcoin and I sent Bitcoin to this wallet, it would be gone, okay? Because this wallet does not accept Bitcoin. So again, if I sent Bitcoin from my wallet on the exchange to an Ethereum wallet off the exchange, my crypto is gone. So again, making sure you're using a wallet that's compatible with the crypto you're sending is extremely important, and that you're sending it to the right address. Because again, if you send it to the wrong address, or you mess up and you manually type this address in and you miss a letter or a number, your crypto is gone. So you need to make sure that you're getting all these steps right, okay? And I know that it might be scary to some of you guys, but when you come off of an exchange, you're taking the training wheels off. So it's important that you're very diligent in what you're doing, and you're making sure that you are paying attention, okay? Most wallets have this copy to clipboard function. You just click it, super easy, and then you'll just go here and you'll just paste it. So bam, just like that. And then at this point, what you would do is you would just click continue. It would ask you then to verify if you have, two-factor authentication set up, which I highly recommend you do. Make sure you enable Google Authenticator as well. You'll have to input that code, and then once you input that code, it'll send your transaction. So once your transaction is sent, what'll happen is it's going to take some time to go through, depending on how bogged down the network is, okay? So I've had Ethereum transactions take as long as like a half hour, 45 minutes. And I know that sounds crazy, but if there's a lot of activity on the network, that's sort of what happens. Again, they're obviously looking to improve this with Ethereum 2.0, but it definitely can happen and take that long. So in order to check where your transaction is in the process, you just go into the wallet. So in this case, I would click Ethereum in my watch list, and it would take me to my Ethereum wallet. I'm not going to go in there because it's going to show my previous transactions. But once you're in there, your transaction should show. It'll say pending, and you can click on it, and it'll tell you how many confirmations it's had so far. Confirmations are just the miners validating your transactions. That's what that is. And exchanges typically require a high confirmation because they are all about security. So they're all about making sure that everything is sent through right and that it's secure and all that good stuff. So because of that, the more validations required, the longer the transaction can take. And you don't get to dictate the gas that you're spending on these transactions usually. I don't think Coinbase lets you control that. They don't. So because of that, I don't really know what they're sending it through at. Obviously, the more gas you pay, the faster your transaction will go through. But exchanges, I'm sure, are cutting costs or fees back to you, so they're going with a lower gas preference. So if that's the case, again, it can take longer to get your transaction through. There's nothing to panic about. Again, it's just validating. So assuming you got the address right and everything there, you're good to go. Once that transaction fully confirms, you'll see it pop up in your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you're using, and at that point, you are good to go. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's how to get your crypto off of an exchange and into your own wallet. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I know it's shorter, but again, I feel like it was a useful topic that a lot of beginners don't necessarily understand how to do, or they make mistakes doing, and it can lead to lost funds. So that's what we want to avoid here. So again, hope this was helpful to you guys. If it was, please like and subscribe to the channel so you stay tuned with what I got coming next. So I'll see you guys next time.